What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to Trading Learning 101. This is going to be episode 2 in the ThinkorSwim ThinkScript series. If you use the ThinkorSwim platform and you're interested in the ThinkScripts, be sure to subscribe to the channel as I will put out more videos in the future giving you all free ThinkScripts. Let's jump into it. ThinkScript that I'm about to share with you guys today is up here on the chart already. It's at the top left up here. It's changed from the open, price, and the percentage. Now you can easily see this if you have a watch list. If you bring over your watch list here on the left side, you can see the net change on the stock and the percentage change. Just to make it a little bit easier, this is how I like it. Whenever I type in a ticker or a stock, Facebook for an example, if it's red on the day, it will color it red. It will tell me how much the stock is up or down, and it will tell me the percentage change right here from the top left of this screen. So we can see on this day here, Facebook dropped 73 cents from the open, and from the open to close it dropped 0.38%. And then if a stock is green on the day, it'll color the box up here green. For an example, RBZ changed from the open. It went up 66 cents and it went up 34.38%. I will leave a link to this custom ThinkScript in the description of this video down below. I help you guys out. Help me out by hitting that subscribe button. Join in the Trading Learning 101 community where we all grow as traders. And if you're interested in more ThinkScripts, that way you don't miss another one of my ThinkScript, ThinkorSwim episodes from this mini-series. I have many more custom ThinkScripts that I want to share with you guys and put out over time. But that's going to wrap it up for this one, guys. I don't want to make it too long. If you enjoyed the video, hit that thumbs up button. Until next time, have that patience. Have that discipline and study, study, study. Later, everybody.
The most valuable commodity I know of is information. Wouldn't you agree?